2 weeks ago, I almost lost 4,000 on a P2P deal. Buyer ghosted, escrow frozen for 72 hours. So I tested every exchange out there, and one of them changed everything. Let me show you live. If you hold USDT, you know the pain. Centralized exchanges, endless KYC. P2P, you're trusting a stranger. Instant services, hidden 3 to 5% fees. I've been trading 4 years, tried them all. Then someone in a Telegram group mentioned TRC20, smart contract escrow, no KYC under 10,000, real market rates. I was skeptical, but I tested it. TRC20 is a USDT to fiat exchange on TRC20. 3 things that matter. 1, your crypto gets locked in an audited smart contract, not some guy's wallet. Auto refund if anything fails. 2, 50 plus countries and 150 plus payment methods. 3, 0.5% fee, no hidden spread, live banking rates. Let's do it live. 520 USDT to Bank of America. I type the amount, site auto detects US, shows the live rate. After fees, about 517.40. I select Bank of America, enter my email address, and then click Start Exchange. Confirmation screen, everything's transparent. Now I enter my account details, link my wallet, and the USDT is held in escrow. Now watch the tracking. Order created, deposit received, blockchain confirmed, fiat sent, done. About 1.5 minutes. Now the key part, confirm and release from escrow. My USDT was in a smart contract this whole time. Nobody touched it. I click escrow released. Funds settled on chain. No trust required. Now let's see if the funds have come in. Yes, we can see a new deposit has been received at Bank of America, $517.40. That's exactly how it was written. After 4 years and dozens of exchanges, this is the one I use now. Speed, transparency, escrow protection, it just works. Link in the description. Drop a comment if you try it. I want to know how it goes. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.